Hey you, it's Jess here, and we're doing my May kit lineup. We're at the end of April now, but I will show you my whole lineup here because it has changed a little. I switched around 2 kits. So for the last week of April, I'm no longer doing the March mystery. I'm now using the November mystery. So I'll quickly go through this with you. But basically I was like, you know what, I want to move up the week that I spring clean and deep clean the entire apartment. The weather's been nice enough that I think I want to move it up and get it done with and have a nice fresh apartment. I gotta clean everything. I'm going to clean everything inside and out, including our balcony glass, and it's just going to be a lot. So this kit came out perfect to use for this week. I'm going to be doing like a different room or thing every single day this week. So yeah, but I want to do it for the end of April instead of doing it in May. So I moved it up. So this is a kit. It's a old format, but it does have these little boxes, which is nice. So not too much of an older format, just a little bit, but it should be nice to get the place nice and fresh. And then I decided just to pair a simple silver with it. So I'm using the sparkle foil bundle. Super simple foil bundle. Get everything you need in it. Old text, but yep, super pretty. And so I did bring out, I think I wanted to use, there is a double box here, but I really wanted to use the single line double box, and I might use a tall girl, I'm not sure yet. So I like to bring those in, and then I wanted to add a little extra by bringing in these different little headers just to go over the full boxes. These are the old Blossom headers. So I just cut these out of an old version of the Wiggles, but I'll put that in just to add a little extra. And then I have Plan With Me stickers, quotes. And I'm definitely going to use Girl You Got This and probably Smile, Sparkle, Shine. And I just thought those would be perfect for a cleaning spread. But that is going for the last week of April now, and I switched those up. But if you watch my April kit lineup, you would have seen my setup for March. My setup for the March mystery, yes. With the lavender hollow butterflies that it came with. So that's the first week of May. The second week of May, May 8th to the 14th, is the week of Eurovision. So let me just get this situated. So Eurovision goes for 3 nights, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And obviously it's a big old song contest party. So I'm going to use Diamonds for Breakfast, and this is the Caress Press version. I don't think any of the add-ons are available anymore for the SPC, but I kind of liked this blue purple colorway. So that's why I picked this one up, and I thought it'd be perfect because, like, you know, party and disco-y and just fun. To use for Eurovision. And I did pick up this girl with the black hair with the 15mm, and it really works because I picked this up after the Finland entry was picked, which is Kadia Cha Cha Cha. I've talked about it tons and tons on this channel already, but he describes the song as being "It's Crazy, It's Party," which is why I got these Alicia Craft custom quotes you would have seen in my haul. It's crazy, it's party, cha cha cha, pina colada, champagne, and douze points. So those go with the Eurovision thing, but obviously I'm using Sparkly Hollow, and I'm going to use this star bundle from Caress Press. Just super simple. I had it in my collection, so I thought I will get some use out of it. We got the bougie. This is an old bundle format. But I thought I'd beef it up a bit with obviously my custom quotes. And I have these fun headers from Sadie's stickers from a long time ago. So they look like fun lights. And then I have the toolbox and single line to add to what I've got going on here. And then I'm going to also add in these matte labels from SPC. I've got, I'm going to use this for actual Eurovision, and I'm going to use these for the semi-finals. But I thought they should have special boxes, so I had those in my collection. So that is what I'm using for the week of Eurovision, and I'm trying not to hype myself too much. I don't think Finland's going to win, but it's just fun to include that because I love the song. It's in my head right now. And then for May 15th to the 21st, I'm using the Caress Press January Mystery, which is Spring Queen. And I just thought this was super fun. It really made me think of London though. But I really wanted to use it like right away. And I didn't have, I've got some spring kits, but I just thought this was so fun and bright. And it'd be great to, start getting into the actual summery spreads. So we are using this. Although now I'm like, should I go back and get one for London? But in case I ever went back. Well, obviously I'm going to go back to London, but not in the near future. But for that, I'm using Hollow because I couldn't think of much else to use with this. I know she paired it with a green foil, but green was just too much for me. So Hollow it is, and I'm using the Hollow Daisy foil bundle. This is the old format. She has reformatted it, but super simple. And then I'm pairing with it, because this only has 8 full boxes, and I'll probably use 10, so I just brought out some more Caress Press a la carte, and these have bows, because I thought the bows would go well with it. And then I have these Plan With Me stickers, quote overlays, the spring ones. So I'll probably use Sunshine and Flowers maybe, but we'll see how many quotes I fit in. But I thought those would be good to include in this set. So we're getting like super spring now. And then for May 22nd to the 28th, I have the Cherry Blossoms kit from SPC. And I don't have the foil to show you because I just... I ordered it pretty late from Planet Choco, but I ordered her Cherry Blossom bundle in light pink. I thought that would be really fitting, and I just kept putting off ordering it for some reason. Oh yeah, because I've been really broke. But when I was able to purchase it, I did. So that should come in the mail long before May 22nd. But if not, I will just put off doing the spread. But that is what I'm going to use for May 22nd, and then for the final week of May, 29th to the 4th, the May 31st is the series finale of Ted Lasso. It is officially finishing, so I was like, you know what, I just need to use my Ted Lasso art. I wasn't planning on doing it, but I was like, you know what, I drew it, and I should celebrate the end of the show. So I'm using the Believe kit from SPC, which I've been hoarding for a while because I didn't actually know when the show was going to finish. It felt like it took an extra year, man. But at least it's still like the newer format. And I'm excited to see how the show ends. My Jamie Todd, he's definitely become like my favorite. I love Jamie. He's so good. He's had such great character arc. And I'm going to pair it with the Sparkle in Blue and Red from SPC because I was like, well, it's the perfect time to bring it in for Ted Lasso, so why not? But then I'm going to accent it with silver because I have the Ted quotes from Planner Hannah in silver. These are just Ted quotes. Doing the right thing is never the wrong thing. You say impossible, but all I hear is I'm possible. I come bearing sweet treats to numb the sting of defeat. Well, yeah, he still needs... Oh, Ted Lasso. I do wonder how it's going to end with how it's been going this last season, but that is all of May and the tiniest bit of April. I don't know, it's kind of like I have stuff going on, so it's all kind of changed up because, we've got Eurovision going on, and Ted Lasso, so it's a bit of a mix, but I'm happy with it. I think it will be a good month. And I guess I could show you quickly. You would have seen in the sticker hole the that I'm using this as my May kit. I just like to keep them here in the side pocket until I plan with them, because they don't really fit in these kind of things. But yeah, so that is my May kits. Let me know if we're twinning it all, possibly for Ted Lasso series finale maybe. But otherwise, let me know what you're up to this month. And I'd love to hear from you. And otherwise, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.